Today I'm going to show you another tips and tricks with the Ford Lightning. Just some really cool things that you can do with your Lightning, and I'll show you how. So look, check this out. Things you could do with the trunk. Now I did this at Christmas time too, and I'll show you that little video. But you can make what I call front trunk pancakes right here. So all you got to do is, if you come over here with the camera, you can, all you got to do is just open this up, and you have 4 plugs there. And then you also, if you want to charge your phone and stuff out here, you can do that too. So that's right there. So you just plug this in, and you may think it actually works right away, but you actually have to turn on the accessory power inside. So I'll show you how to do that, and then it will turn on, and then we can start making some pancakes. So you have to turn your car on. Then you just come in here, and this right here gives you a thing. Front trunk outlet is open. Supply power, you could just click yes. So what I would do though is, just to show you how to do this, click on your home screen, and then it shows this is where your entertainment is. This is where you can watch YouTube if you wanted to. But your Pro Power onboard is right here. And then you can turn on the back. You can turn on the front or turn it off. And it's already providing power for the skillet that I have plugged in there. Or you could just turn it off. You can just go ahead and turn that off, and the power will go down. It's not going to draw any power anymore. But we want to turn it on because we want to cook pancakes, and it'll warn you. But yeah, that's all you do. You have to have your car on though to make this work. So there you go. Awesome. So now we're gonna make some pancakes, some front trunk pancakes. Showed you how to plug it in, and now that we've got it plugged in, we just kind of put some butter on here. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is one of my little secrets that I'll clue you in on. Just add the butter this way, and yeah, and then we'll get my super secret pancake recipe. There we go. So yeah, there we go. Get some little pancakes. Kids like the little pancakes. I've been doing this since Christmas, since I've had the truck, and the kids love it. It's just a really cool thing. I did it in the winter. I had like a little Santa hat on, and it's just a fun little extra thing that you can do, because really parenting is all about making memories with your kids. And so getting to go on a road trip with Hannah and the other kids, just remembering making pancakes in the trunk, and just lots of different things that you can do. But the whole thing is just making memories with your kids, and it's a lot of fun. I also, not from the front, but there's also power in the back. I even powered a whole TV shoot. The power went out, I powered that. I've seen pictures of other people that have done lots of other things with the power. Basically, it's a big inverter. Yeah, so we'll eat some pancakes now. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What great looking pancakes. Yeah. And here's my safety notification. When you're done, all you gotta do is unplug this, you close this. Now, for safety, you leave your lid open, let it air out, and you let your skillet cool off. You don't take that out for sure, because that has a hot end on it. But then you go inside your truck. Again, you go to home. There's a lot of different things in here. Pro Power onboard. And then you can see that it's turned on. It's not taking any wattage now because I turned it off. And all you got to do is just turn that power off there. You could turn all the Pro Power onboard off if you want, but the cab, let's see what that does. So yeah, if you turn that off, it turns off the cab. You don't want to do that because usually you have other things that are charging. So basically, you don't want to turn that off. You leave it on, and it keeps this on, but then you just keep those off unless you need them. So there you have it. And then I did want to show you though, if you're clicking back here, I did want to show you, if you look here, the front trunk has only 2400 watts that it provides. The rear has, so let me just turn them all on for a second. The rear has an A and B. It has two. So you have 3600 watts, two sets of 3600 watts. So yeah, there you go. You just turn them off when you're not using them. So if you ever wonder what you can do with the F-150, now you know. The possibilities are endless. You can cook some great pancakes right here. Wee howdy. Right here in the comfort of your own home, celebrating Christmas. Look at these things, man. Look at them. Look at them. Get here close. Get here close. Come on. Right here. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. That's good eating. Yeah.